Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by deciding where the file will live and why, public link for ease or restricted share for privacy. Once chosen, sign into the service and enable two-factor authentication to protect access. Next, confirm the file type and size against platform limits and compress if needed. This saves time and prevents upload errors. Finally, prepare recipient addresses and any message text so you can complete sharing in one flow. This reduces repeat steps and avoids accidental public exposure. Start the upload using the fastest method available: drag and drop on the web or a desktop client for bulk transfers. Once the file is uploaded, set the permission level: view only for static files, edit for collaboration, or an expiring link for temporary access, because permissions control risk and workflow. Then refine settings: restrict by email domain, require sign-in, or disable downloads to protect content. Make sure to add a clear file name and short description so recipients recognize the file. Copy the generated link or add recipient emails, and include concise instructions about expected actions: view, comment, or edit, so recipients know what to do. Once sent, verify access by opening the link in an incognito window or a colleague account. This confirms permissions and catch issues before recipients do. If something breaks, check permission settings, link expiration, and whether the platform reports upload or sync errors. Reissue the link or adjust settings and inform recipients of any changes immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.